So I want to just show y'all guys like all right, so make a beat here. I took the free kit, right? Pad 13, 14. I went here. Let's see, I went to pad and I added this non-limb reverb. I like how it sounds, you know. Let's see. Added a nice little. All right, so, and then the sample is basically a Kuni Kawichi, is a Japanese kind of rock record. You know what I mean? And stuff, and then let me see. And basically I used pad perform. Well, first off, let me show you something. So this sample here, I warped it out. I warp all my samples. I don't know why. I see a lot of you guys out there who don't warp their samples. But it's imperative for me to do that. It just allows you so much more control. So I warped the sample. The original BPM was 86. That allows me to change the key or whatever, but still keep the tempo. Just gives you a lot of control. The key of this is E minor. All right, so now that I know the key of that, I would go over to, I just pulled up like the mini D. I put in pad perform, I would put it in chromatic or whatever and put it in E natural minor. So whatever I play is going to kind of basically stay in key with the sample. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's go to the next track. And these are just the hi-hats. And because of the cycle kit, you know, it just gives you natural like articulations. So it's not a static thing, it's just making it sound like, you know, a real hi-hat. You know what I mean? Some natural velocity there. And this is the vocal from that same record. Alright, so here it is right here. Here's the sample here. Went to pad, put it on pad again. Put Air Delay Pro. And basically I got the burst preset on there. Alright. Let's hide that. And these right here, these are just things like my trademark. I use these all the time. You know. And here's another bass I just used to go on top of that other bass. Yeah, so basically I just layered that. Then I did all of that, and I got, you know, you know what I mean? So that's basically a process, my process while I'm, you know, working on beats or whatever. All right, guys, look, I appreciate you. Thank y'all very much for joining the group. I love y'all, man. MPC family, I think it's going to be big. You know what I mean? One love to all you guys. Peace.